Are you seeing the PhysX 3 Character Kinematic 64 DLL runtime error mid-game? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I've diagnosed the fix to keep your gaming session stable. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for PhysX 3 Character Kinematic 64, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the PhysX 3 Character Kinematic 64, a specialized PhysX module for character movement. It provides unmanaged routines for kinematic orchestration, facilitating the collision data link for player avatars within the game manifest. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Since PhysX 3 Character Kinematic 64 DLL is an application-specific dependency for NVIDIA PhysX, you need to download the latest version of the software, throwing the error to properly register the library within its own folder. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the PhysX 3 Character Kinematic 64 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of PhysX 3 Character Kinematic 64 DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes PhysX 3 Character Kinematic 64 related documentation. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix PhysX 3 Character Kinematic 64. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.